Hi, I'm Karen. So happy to see you guys here. In this video, I will show you a very easy way to make a tiger's eye beaded necklace with this super strong magnetic lock in 10 minutes. Stay with me. Before we start, I will show you my working table. This is the measuring tape that I stick on the working table, so it's more easier to measure the length of the necklace. That's what we need. Strong magnetic lock, 6 mm tiger's eye bead, braided cord from Taiwan. It's brown color and 0.8 mm. Thread in the beads. I'm gonna make it a 26 inches long. We finished threading the beads. Done, and it can also be a 4-wrap bracelet. And I use the same way to make a top braid clear quartz necklace for myself. It's really beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you want a special custom-made jewelry, feel free to contact me at diynotion.com or at my Instagram, diynotion. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!